Okay, page 116, number 3, find formulas for the functions that are given, and we want to find what f plus g, f minus g, and f times g are, and then give the domain of each. So, the first one, f plus g, is going to equal the square root of x plus sine x. F minus g is going to equal the square root of x minus sine x. And fg is going to equal the square root of x sine x. So that was the easy part. Now for the domains. So what we want to do first is find the domain of each function. So the domain of f is going to be all numbers where x is greater than or equal to 0, because we can't take the square root of a negative number. The sine function, so that's going to be our domain of g, is defined for all real numbers. So those are the two domains we're working with. So when we do f plus g, it has to be all the numbers that are in the domain of f and all the numbers that are in the domain of g. So our domain of f plus g is going to be, if we want to do it in interval notation, is just going to be our positive numbers including 0, because those are the only ones that are in the domain of both of them. The domain of f minus g is going to be the same. And the domain of f times g will also be the same. Now if you want to put them in set builder notation, they would look like this, and I'll just do it once for all three. You're going to have all the x's such that x belongs to the real numbers, and x is greater than or equal to 0.